Energy Score gives you a daily breakdown of recovery, sleep, and readiness, helping you decide when to train and when to rest. Personalized AI coaching, adaptive workout plans tailored to your fitness level, complete with voice guidance and progress tracking. Wear OS 5 faster, smoother, and more battery efficient with an all-new app launcher for quicker access, outdoor optimization, military-grade durability, water resistance up to 100 meter, and enhanced GPS with dual-frequency tracking for pinpoint accuracy in tough trails. Health monitoring detects sleep apnea, tracks irregular heart rhythms, and measures skin temperature for advanced wellness insights. Battery life up to 60 hours in standard mode and an extended advanced mode that lasts over 100 hours with optimized tracking. Connectivity LTE support offline maps and SOS alerts that work even in challenging environments.